food machines during about 70 years. And
Hello friends, welcome to our online show. This is Amanda from Aero Machine. Today our topic is pet food and pet food machines. First, regarding to pet, it has a big variety. It includes cat, dog, fish, and also plants can also be considered as pets. And today we will focus to cat and dog, as the ratio for cats and dog is around 93% for the total pets. A few days back, a top 2 B2C platform has released a report on 2022 pet food industry. There is some figure about the industry. The report shows that in 2021, the families with pets is 91,470,000 families. The household penetration ratio is 18%, and the ratio will arrive to 20% in the year 2022. It shows the big demand in Chinese market. Also, the report released that in 2022, the China pet food physical market scale will arrive 115 billion CNY. Among the increase, pet food ratio will be increased to 46%, and the dairy food is around 34%. In the international market, we all know that the biggest market is the USA, and we have a figure shows that in 2021, the USA pet food market has arrived to $50 billion. The first pet food for commercial sale is developed in USA in 1860s. And after 160 years development, both the international market has developed to integrated product series, including dry food, semi-moistured food, baked food. And the baked food market is increasing rapidly, both domestic and international. This is the market from the international view. And the next, we will focus on the pet food we can supply. We have collected some samples from the market. We will introduce our workmate Alan to show you the different pet food, including the dry pet food and also pet snacks.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Alan from Aero Machinery. We are working on the pet food machines during about 70 years, and our machines can produce various of the pet food and aquatic feeds of the machines. Today, the living show, we almost focus on the pet food and the pet snacks. The main product for the pet food, we have the two types. The first one with the vacuum coating, and another one is the normal coating, like a drum coating or batch double shaft mixture.
Excuse me, Alan, can you tell us the difference between these two? How can you tell the difference for the different type products?
We just look at the surface of the pet food. This one, it looks most light, and this one is produced from the vacuum coating. Their difference is the fat content. For the vacuum coating, the oil content can higher than their difference limit is 12%
12%.
fat content. And
So if in the retail market, this type, the selling rate will be higher than this type,
yes,
right?
yes.
And for us, we are able to supply both oil coating solutions. This product using vacuum coating, and this type is the normal drum or double shaft mixer coating. These two type solution we are able to supply.
Yes, of course. Now we introduce the.
This is the dry pet food extruded cold extrusion.
That's our cold extrusion directly cutting on wood. The type of pet food. This type of extruder, it can work with the high protein with without the green flaws to make the final product higher than 80% fat. The protein. It can use the fresh meat paste as the main material with our extrusion and forming to make the granular and the sticks the different shape and size product. It forming the shape with the different shapes the molds, and the follow processing would be the higher temperature drying, or it also can be the steam cooking.
Yes, if you see, you read some industry reports, you will find that the recent customers, they will focus on more protein content, and they prefer to supply more fresh food to their pets. And for this cold extruded product, they will use the fresh meat instead of meat powder.
Yes.
And it will has higher protein content compared with the extruded dry pet food.
Yes. This cold extrusion food, it can without the green flaws. That's its advantage.
Without greens.
Yeah.
We also see from some packages we have got from the market. We can see that it shows cereals flour free. On the package, we can see the ingredients mainly include chicken meat, duck meat, chicken silver, peas protein, something like this. No traditional corn flour, wheat flour, bran. We can see that the cold extruded pet food will be of a higher level compared with the dry pet food, because maybe 20, 30 years ago, the meat added in the dry pet food are mainly meat flour.
Yes.
But now, more and more fresh meat added in the product. This will be the trend of the product in pet food industry.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
For the next, it's cold extrusion, another part, the product. For that, the difference is the cold extrusion product, they use another various materials like the cow skins and the donkey skin and the waste of the pig processing, and we can use like the how to say the protein, the materials to make the steaks and the rectangular and for like the chewing steaks.
What materials mainly used in this application?
Uh,
Fresh meat?
yeah, it can use the fresh meat and the skins to make the product much better for chewing and the pet the teeth cleaning.
Ah, it will be mainly used for the pet teeth cleaning.
Yeah, and for these two products, it's with the fresh meat, and this one, as you see, it's with the air bubble on the surface because it's processing with the hot air to cooking them, and for this one, it's used steam cooking to keep its moisture and keep them the nutrients.
Ah, so even though the materials extruded from the cold extrusion, the meat will be fully cooked in the steam, right?
Yeah.
So the pets will get the rich protein and easy for digestion,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Because the cold extrusion, the extruder is just extruding and forming the materials together, and it's no heating and cooking function. So after the extruder, we need another step to cooking the materials and the product, just like the higher temperature driving, baking, or the steam cooking.
I think for pets, it compared with the earlier pet chews, this type will have higher nutrition value.
Yes, because these products use the meats higher content with meat, fat, and it uses the fresh meat meals. And for the traditional the pet snacks like chewing jams, its main materials would be the starch or the grain flours. And compare with this product and these nutritions like fat, protein, and other vitamin and such as this uh, nutrition content would be much higher than the traditional pet chewing snacks.
I think it looks like that the nutrition value is similar as human food. This product looks like beef sticks.
Yeah.
You can also try because the food are all fresh meat. Next one.
Okay. Just as we talked on
Pet
last
chews.
part, the pet chews, and that's the traditional pet snacks, the pet chews for the pet teeth cleaning, and their main materials would be the grain flours like cornstarch, cassava, and different grain flours as the main materials. As you see, there have the single color, and we can also make the double color, and the product with the co-filling.
How can this be done? The core filling inside. Is it confidential?
We have the production technology.
I want to show our
They
friends.
use the two sets extruders work together. There one extruder produce the co-filling, and another extruder reforming the extrusions outside the cells.
This tube will keep the path for teeth cleaning also.
Yes.
So with this path teeth more healthy, and they will not bite the furnitures in our house.
Yeah, that's the almost the big problem for the human when for cats and dogs feeding.
And do you have other new products want to show?
And now we are make the new technology on the pet food. We call it lower temperature baking pet food. We can show you the pet food. Look it closer.
I also have a figure that according to the B2C working platform, the baking food GMV year-on-year growth is 96 times. So we believe this product will be the new trend. It looks like biscuit for pet.
Yes, that's another new production technology. Different than the extrusion, and for the before, almost the pet food produced from the extruder or other technology. Now we started with the European, and we make the new technology with the forming machine to make the pet food. It also can use the higher content protein, and with lower the grain flours to forming them. It like, as you said, it most like the human biscuits. Yeah, that's the difference. And for the product,
We can see it has different logos.
yeah,
It is done by, we can get different logos by changing the mood.
yes, through changing the forming ruler, it can make the different logo on the product surface.
So same machine, just change the ruler. We can get different designs, also different shapes is possible.
Yeah,
And for the main materials used, it will be fresh meat paste.
meat meals.
We should grind the fresh meat into paste,
Yeah,
mixed with other
grain flours.
cereals flours, mainly like wheat flour, rice
With
flour.
yeah, rice and corn and the brands like barren and something like that.
I also see just now for the materials also have factory add the peas protein. I think it's mainly to increase the protein content.
Yeah.
And after ruler cutting, what will be the next process? Because the pet need to have cooked materials.
Yeah, the product after the forming, and it would use the driving oven to cook them, and then it can go with the microwave oven. Then the final product also can be coating with the vacuum coater or drum coater to coating with the felt and oil. That's the product processing flowchart.
So, and what will be the capacity you are able to supply?
We have the virus models machines. Our capacity can be 200, 500, and 110 different models machines, we can all provide it.
Okay, this is for the baked pet food.
Yes.
Then it will be the cold-filled product.
Yes, we also have we compare with the human snacks. We make the pet food with the double color cold filling, the main food.
For the cold filling, what main materials can be added? Processed meat paste.
Yeah, the meat paste and the fat and the juice and some other liquids.
Maybe we can add the liquid nutrients inside
Yes.
the filling.
Yes.
So I think maybe the cold filling product is we can get from same line from the dry pet food extrusion line.
Yes, it can. And one line just add the extruder with another cold filling extruder. So add the forming system. So one line can both produce the pet main food and the pet cold filling snacks.
Alan, I think we have forgotten one type of product, the meat sticks.
Yes.
Which machine can produce this product?
This type of product also similar as
This one?
that, yes, the cold extrusion.
This is meat sticks. It is soft.
Yeah.
What the main materials used will also be fresh meat.
Yes, fresh meat, beef, and chicken and dark meat. All can as the main materials to produce this product with our cold extruder. And this type of food would be first with the steam cooking, then to make them cool down and with the packing.
I think if you treat your dogs and they did a good job, you can give them as a small gift.
Yeah.
This is made of fresh meat. Okay, in summary, what type pet food our machine can produce? We can give our customers a summary. So the extruded dry pet food with normal oil coating and the vacuum coating.
Yes.
Then add some X-ray machines. We can produce the cold-filled pet food.
Yes.
And then cold extruded product. For the cold extruded product, the main materials used will be fresh meat. It can also without cereal flour.
Yes.
So the protein content will be higher. We can get different texture and different sizes. The product after extrusion need steam cooking.
Yes. Steam
Cutting.
cooking. Yeah.
Cutting. Then can go for packing.
Yeah.
The next trend for pet food is the baked pet food. The main materials used are also fresh meat. Fresh meat mixed with cereal flour. This will be the next popular product for pet, I think.
Yeah. You're right.
Then it will be the traditional pet chews, pet snacks. It will help the dogs' teeth cleaning and keep their teeth healthy. Okay, these are the products our machines can produce. I think next time we will introduce the machinery, the pet food extrusion machinery. Then we will introduce the different application machines one by one. So thanks for your time joining us in our online show. See you next time. Bye-bye.